I had to write something from ground zero. In other words, if you don't know anything about this business, if you don't know anything about the nature of trading, and especially if you don't know anything about the nature of price movement, that you can actually go through, understand what you need to go through, and go through a process of changing the way that you think, because this is what this is all about, everybody. You're going to have to get used to the idea that if you're going to do this successfully, you are probably going to have to change some major assumptions, some major beliefs that you have about the nature of market trading to do it successfully. I'm not saying you're not going to have winning trades. I'm saying that if you want to create a consistently rising equity curve and assure yourself of an income, you're going to have to think differently than what you think right now. There's no way around it. Like, for example, most of you in this room, just quick example, most of you in this room would think that because I'm a trader and because I put on trades, I'm a risk taker. Does that make sense? Because we know that trading is risky, right? And yet, when you think about it, everything that you do, or let's say I used to do as a trader with respect to analysis, was to try to eliminate the risk. Was to try to make the risk go away. Was to try to make sure that the trade I'm getting into right now, this trade, was going to be a winner. Not maybe a winner, but going to be a winner. Or why would I do it? Why would I get into a trade if I didn't think it was going to win? Does that make sense to everybody? Is that the kind of logic that makes sense? That's exactly the kind of logic that's going to make sure you're not going to be successful in this business. It's exactly the kind of logic that is going to assure you that you will not make it in this business. This business has nothing to do with winning on a trade-by-trade basis. On a trade-by-trade basis. What you're going to learn today is that your technical systems, okay, what they give you is an edge. Everyone, you heard the word probability said 100 times. Probabilities, edges. Edge is nothing more than a higher probability of one thing happening over another. There's a huge difference between understanding that concept and actually believing it in a way that you can execute your trades properly. You actually have to believe in the nature of probabilities at the very core of your trading personality. Which means you're going to have to give up on the idea that each individual trade is going to be successful.